Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Prashanth Bagali. I head the Scientific and Medical Affairs in MedGenome Labs, the largest CAP accredited genetic testing laboratory in Southeast Asia. I would like to invite you to the CME event titled Declining Fertility Across the Globe, Time to Awaken on 23rd September 2025. This is co-organized by GGIRHR IVF and Glory Dots Tech in Bengaluru, Karnataka, who all should attend this. It is specially designed for obstetrics, gynecology, embryology, reproductive medicine, and also the allied healthcare specialists like medical lab technicians, embryologists, and other researchers involved in this industry. What we covered in this, the faculty, the eminent distinguished faculty members cover the challenges in fertility management, the oncofertility management, and also the diagnostic tests which are used in the IVF industry. So you'll also able to hear the latest developments and the practical applications and the strategies to mitigate the fertility challenges. Let us explore this, and I hope you'll all will participate in this and see you all in the CME event. Thank you so much.